Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn skills using skill assessments and endorsements step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn profile. Navigate to the skills section. Click on the pencil icon to edit your skills. Review your current skills listed on your profile. Check if there are any outdated skills you want to remove. Add new skills that reflect your current expertise. Now, let's explore skill assessments. Go to the Skills and Endorsements section. Find the option for skill assessments. Click on Take Skill Assessment. Choose a skill that you want to be assessed on. Read the instructions carefully before starting the assessment. Begin the assessment and answer the questions to the best of your knowledge. Submit your assessment once you've completed it. Wait for the results, which you'll receive shortly. If you pass, you'll receive a badge for that skill. This badge will be displayed on your profile. Now, let's move on to endorsements. Reach out to connections who can endorse your skills. Send a personalized message requesting their endorsement. Encourage them to be specific about the skills they endorse. Visit their profiles and endorse their skills in return. Regularly update your skills and endorsements to stay relevant. Check your profile to see your updated skills and assessments. Consider adding skills assessments regularly to enhance credibility. Focus on skills that align with your career goals. Keep your profile active to attract more endorsements. This will increase your visibility on LinkedIn. Ensure that your skills accurately reflect your professional journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.